YouTube, I'm Crystal from Crystal Sews and Stuff on Instagram, and today I wanted to share with you my review of McCalls 7726 as well as Ogden Cami by True Bias Patterns. So I made this outfit in order to participate in the Pennant Sew It event, which is put forth by That Sewing Blab. I'll leave a link below to the video describing the challenge. So this is my inspiration picture. So I decided to make a tank top and high-waisted pants. So the pants that I chose were M7726, and I chose View C. And they're high-waisted paper bag pants with a tie belt, and they taper in a little bit at the bottom. So it was a pretty easy sew. The issues that I did have a few issues though. So the pattern calls for you. I really don't care for the zipper insertion, because I think I do prefer a fly front over this flat front with the it's like overlapping a little bit, so it doesn't lay completely flat. It might be because of this lightweight cotton Cara fabric that it's not laying completely flat. So sometimes it kind of opens up. So if you have any suggestions on how I can prevent this from flapping around too much, if you can tell, is it focusing? It kind of flaps open when I wear it. So but when I put the belt on, it kind of holds it in together, so it doesn't do it too much. But I'd rather, so I'm trying to think of a solution to keep this a little bit more closed, because it's not a true fly front. So the other issue that I had, and that's just because I didn't fit it properly, is the crotch line is way low. So I took it into my sewing class to show them, and they said it's too big, it's too big. So what they had me do, my teacher had me do, was take in the back some. So that really helped the whole crotch area in order to raise the crotch line just a little bit. I couldn't do too much because I should have done that in the pattern adjustment phase. But I think I got a decent fit from it. So here's a picture of me wearing the pants right here. So the next thing that I made was the Ogden Cami by True Bias. And here's a picture of the pattern here. And I used this blue crepe back satin that I got from Metro Textiles. So, and I love this cami because I love the front, and the back is just, I love this drop back, the drop back on it. It's just so cute. And I inserted a picture of me wearing this top yesterday right here. So I really love this. I definitely plan to make more. I know I've seen a lot of people make this on Instagram and here on YouTube, and I was like, what is all the hype about? It's just a tank top. But I really like it. So I think I'm on the Team Ogden Cami bandwagon now. So so those are the things that I made for this look. However, I don't really think they go together. So I love the Ogden Cami by itself, and I love the pants by themselves, but I don't really like it together, because I think because I'm short, that when I wear it, it kind of bunches up some. So what I've decided to do to get it to more align with my the look I'm going for is I'm gonna make the Lagos. Where is it? Okay. I'm gonna make the Lagos tank pattern. So this is a free pattern, and Stitcherina, she made this tank top last month for one of her free pattern Friday patterns, and so I said, you know what, that's a good idea. So I think this tank top will go a lot better with the pants, because it's more tight fitted. So, but it's not super tight fitted, because I don't really like things that are super tight fitted. So I think this tank top will work a lot better, and it's a free pattern by stitch to stitch, and it's called the Lago Tank. So I've already cut it out, and it's in the little baggie. So this will be my project for next week. I use just a nice, pretty lightweight jersey that I picked up from Craftsy. But Craftsy now, they don't even sell apparel fabric anymore. So unfortunately, but I've had this in my stash for about a year. So I said, well, you know what, I can have that blue fabric. So I decided to go ahead and make a blue knit tank, because I think it'll be more fitted and fit better with the looser fit of the pants. And I didn't think that through when I was making the trying to make up the style. So has that ever happened to you before? Have you ever like sewn up something and it doesn't look right, and then you have to go and change it all over again? Because, you know, the only thing with sewing is you can't really try it on first. I mean, you can go to the store and I guess try on similar styles. Maybe that's something I should have done. But so anyway, I didn't love the way these two looked together, and my husband was like, that top is just too big. It's too big. So so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go with a more tighter fit top, and to go with the pants, and I think it'll go all together with the whole outfit a little bit better. So and I'm also gonna be in a fashion show with my sewing class, so I don't want it to be looking weird when I'm up there with my class. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today, and let me know any ideas that you have for closing, getting the button little flappy thing to lay right. And I forgot to say that I also added a button instead of the hook and loop, because the hook and loop was pulling too much and it was snagging the fabric a little bit. So I did add a button instead of the hook and the hook thing. All right, thank you so much. Take care, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Bye bye.